channel. So if you're on this channel for the very first time, like, where have you been? Okay, thank God you're here right now, and thank you for being here. Thank you for finding me. I'm very grateful to you guys. And if you've always been here, like, thank you. You guys saved me, literally. Okay, today, yeah, I was thinking of making a Halloween cake, like a 2020 Halloween cake. And I was going to use a cake dummy because I can't afford to make an old cake and like give it away and stuff. So I decided like, why not make a bonus video and show you guys how to use a cake dummy. I don't know if that will be sorry. I don't think that will be useful to anybody, but like if you've ever used a cake dummy before, they're very light and they're not so sturdy. So today I'm going to show you how to use them, how to make them very sturdy and stable, like how to like make them heavy enough and prepare them for like covering with, maybe you're using buttercream or ganache, or like prep them for fondant covering and stuff. So I hope this video is useful to somebody, I don't know. Okay, thank you guys and stay tuned. Okay, so today guys, I'm going to be using the round cake dummy, but before that, let me show you the difference and the two different types of cake dummies you can buy. Okay, so I want you to look at this round one, yeah, the round bowl one. That's what I'm going to be using today, and take a look at this cylindrical one. That's the normal one most people use. This round one is tight knitted and it is very strong, but this cylindrical one is very soft and easy to carve. So if you're buying a cake dummy and you want to carve it into a particular thing, make sure you buy the one that the styrofoam is not like tightly knitted together. Those ones are easier to carve. For example, these very round ones, it has big particles and everything, you can see it, and if you like dip your fingers into it, you can easily do that. But for this round one, it is tight knitted, so it is very difficult to carve. So if you're carving, I want you to bear that in mind. Okay, so right now I'm going to be using this round styrofoam. I'm going to be covering it because I want to make like a coronavirus cake-ish kind of. So we're going to be using this round, and I'm going to show you how I stabilize it. So I take some glue gun, yeah, and I plug it, and when it's warm, I put it on top of my cake board, and then I stick the styrofoam on. You can do this for a round bowl like this, and you can also do it for the regular shaped cake dummies as well. If you stick it like that, it will hold. But if you want to, if you have like an irregular shape that might maybe roll off the board, the first thing you want to do is to take maybe like a toothpick and make sure it stays on top of the cake dummy. Yeah, like, yeah, you glue it with the glue gun, and then you like you nail your cake dummy onto it. Those are the two different ways you can like make it hold without moving, especially for cake dummies that are not stable, like the round ones or like a carved one maybe. Do you understand? Yeah, I hope you understand, because I'm talking and answering myself. That's just weird. Okay, so the next thing I want to do right now is, after fixing it and making sure it won't move, the next thing you want to do is to cover it with cream. And I don't like to use ganache for this, because the reason why you're using ganache is because ganache has like, it gives a firm surface, but a cake dummy is already firm, so you don't want it to be firmer, or you just want something that will make your fondant stick to it. So what you want to do is, you can use whipped cream, you can use buttercream. For this one, actually, I'm using whipped cream. Basically, the reason why you're doing this is because you want your fondant to be able to stick to your cake dummy. Okay, so once you are done, what you want to do is you want to scrape out all of the excess cream, because if you do not, you're going to see like those imprints underneath your fondant once you cover it with fondant. Yeah. Okay, so that's what you want to do. So we're going to put that aside, and then we are going to roll our fondant. There's no special way to roll fondant on top of a cake dummy, just the normal way you rolled normal cakes, basically. So take the fondant and roll it the normal way you rolled, and then you're going to take it and turn it over your cake dummy. And if you are used to covering your cakes in one single fondant sheet, that's the best method. Because if you use the paneling method for cake dummies, like, there is no point, literally, because it already has sharp edges. So what are you paneling? Yeah, so you should make sure you cover it in just one sheet fondant. Like, spread the fondant thin and then just cover your cake. That way it is easier. And then make sure you smoothen it all around. This is way easier for you. If you didn't affix your cake dummy to the board like firmly, it will be moving around, and this part would really frustrate you. But because we already like fixed it really firmly, if you remember, I showed you two different ways to fix it. One with just directly with the glue gun, another one using a toothpick if you don't want it to move around at all. So it is really easy to use cake dummies, and you can use them to decorate your workspace. You can use them to make cakes, like maybe if you don't want to give cakes out or anything, you just want to make a particular design to show, like maybe to decorate your workspace or anything. Or you can also use them for brides that do not want that much cake, but they want maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 tiers. Like some people want more tiers of cakes, if that makes sense. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.